And with me right now from the India Club is Susmita, and today you have brought along with you someone someone that I have not met before.
Sure, she's our member, India Club member, a long-time member, and her name is Archana Dongre.
Great to meet you.
This is Ken.
Hello Ken.
And I understand you've been involved with the India Club for quite a long time.
Yes, I am not new to India Club. I have been a member here for the last 10 years actually, and probably even before that. I live in Mission Viejo. I don't live in Laguna Woods, but still I have lots of friends in Laguna Woods, and I'm always involved in the India Club here.
Yeah, and I understand that, is she going to do some of the things that you've been doing?
Well, not exactly, but when I started India Club, I started as a performing art director or entertainment director.
Right.
And that was first 2 years before I became president. And she will be, this year we are selecting her to take that position on our board.
Ah, very good.
So I will be an entertainment director for this year.
So it's up to you to bring different kind of events to the club and,
yes,
and in essence to the community as well.
Yes, absolutely. It will be my responsibility to invite different artists of different genre. It can be musicians or dancers or somebody who is very well known in their field, their lectures, there are all kinds of possibilities. And I'll be bringing in those guests, introducing them, conducting the whole program, and I'm excited about it.
Well, there's been some great events over the years that you folks have done.
Yes, we had few gala events.
Yeah.
And musical events, and also some speaker came. And one time we invited FBI for certain episode. Yeah. So we have varieties of program and also spiritual leaders.
Yeah, and we want to talk about the one that's coming up in a couple of days, and this is a celebration of Republic Day of India, right?
Republic Day, including we are starting our new year.
Okay.
Like this time, which changed a little bit up our system. Like our fiscal year for India Club is going to start from January to December.
Okay.
From now on.
Okay.
So this is the beginning of it. So this month we will be just starting a new event. Like we will have some travelogue. And also Republic Day celebration. We are going to project today. This year is the 70th Republic Day celebration.
Oh,
of
wow.
India. 70th. So, and every year in New Delhi on 26th of January is a huge celebration, really big, almost pretty much like the Rose Parade.
Yeah.
But it's a bigger scale of Rose Parade, I would say.
You know the one that I like,
yeah,
and you've talked about this before, I don't know if it's this, if it's on the 26th in India, and I forget what it's called, but it's where they throw the different colors and things like that.
Oh, that's holy.
No, that's
holy. That's different.
Okay, that's different.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I know. You like that.
Yeah, I like that.
So
everybody's covered in different colors.
But unfortunately,
that's a time of merriment and joy.
Yeah.
And it has more like a religious and spiritual significance. But the 26th of January has more of a
historical,
yes,
as well as political and importance.
Okay, so this is what you're celebrating is the independence from British rule.
No,
am I right?
Independence Day is 15th August. That's different.
Okay, I'm confused
this is Republic Day is the day when the Constitution was accepted.
Okay.
So
I get it.
That's how it is.
Yeah.
All right.
So anyway, we will part of our 31st. This is going to be 31st. For some different reason, I do not know, our recreation department did let me know that they couldn't give me the fourth Thursday. We're always fourth Thursday of the month. We take Clubhouse 7 for our program, but this time it is fifth Thursday of the month, and that is 31st, and it is going to be the same place, that Clubhouse 7, and we start 5:30.
Okay.
And that's our actually snack time and socialization, and then the program will start like Nino Mohan. Many people already
Nino's
know him.
been on our program a couple
he's very
times.
popular.
Yes.
And he will be presenting a travelogue. about India.
Yeah.
The part he didn't cover yet. He already
Okay.
covered quite a few parts, like
Yeah, he does,
Eastern,
yes.
Western, Central part of India. This time he plans to show us the southern part of India.
Okay.
And so we decided to serve southern food of India.
Okay, what's
So
southern food of India?
Ours this time, it is coming from like places like Chennai and south of India. You know, funny thing is each part of India has a different taste bud. So the southern part has more coconut, a little bit hotter than other parts, I would say. Don't you think so?
Yes,
Archana?
I think so too.
Yeah.
Lot of coconut and
So those things, that taste is a little different. Like if you go to Calcutta, the Bengalis eat differently. Maharashtrian, she's Maharashtrian.
Interesting.
It's different.
Well, you know, that's like here in the U.S.
Exactly.
And also, you know, in the southern part of the U.S., you know, especially if you go
Southwestern is very
around,
different.
you have spicier foods.
Yeah, and
right?
Cajun is
and
different.
Cajun, yes,
you know, very similar to that. So this south, at this time we're only giving, I mean, dinner is scheduled to be only vegetarian.
Okay.
So we invited a caterer. It's like going to be like home cooked food. I'm very sure people nowadays, more and more people are vegetarian. So this vegetarian meal will be delicious, and I'm pretty sure everybody will like it. And that will be served, and with the dessert, of course, always comes with the meal. And then Nino's program will be interesting, and we will also have some musical. We invited a singer, but she has some cold, or cough and cold together.
Okay.
She's suffering from bronchitis.
Okay, so that's...
She couldn't come this time, but other than that, we will have some good singer.
So Anna, when is some of the events that you're looking forward to this year that you're going to be having? Do you have anything planned yet?
We are a lot of things on the slate right now. There can be a nice musical program, maybe a play or a drama. That's something we can think about. A dancer, some kind of travelogue shows will also probably be there. So first of all, I have to see what the people want.
And speakers.
We have we expect about 100 people, you know, maybe 60, 75 to 75 attend every time. But there can be 100 people too.
Wow.
So we need to, and there's a large demographics, people coming from many different backgrounds, coming from different parts of India and also different parts in US or different states of US. So I have to see, first of all, what their interests are, what they would like. So at the board meeting, we discuss that, and then we decide whom we should invite.
Exactly.
And then I contact those people. And I have worked as a journalist here for about 22 years. So I have some contacts.
Really?
Oh, yes, yeah.
Oh, very good.
So I was meeting artists and people from all walks of life all the time.
Who'd you work for a journalist as?
I worked for a paper called India West.
Okay.
I wrote for them for 22 years. So, and I was very busy in the community, you know, doing my assignments, and I was writing about 4 articles a week. You know.
Wow.
It's a weekly I was working for.
Happened to be, I knew her at that time because I used to do stage performance. So that was the time I came to know Archana.
Yeah, that's a lot of work to do that.
So I have ropes in the community, and I know people. It has been a while now that I'm retired, but still, you know, if I want to bring that part up, I can do that.
Yes, yeah. Well, this one coming up again on Thursday. If it's non-members, it's only $10. If you're a member, it's free.
Member is totally free. It's going to be, and it's a time for new membership. So anybody can take in membership. It's $15, and otherwise $10 for the food. I mean, for dinner and the entertainment together.
Yeah, and I would encourage people to go to this because it's always a lot of fun. Maybe somebody here, they might be thinking, hey, I wouldn't mind planning a trip to go to India sometime. Well, I can tell you, Nino's the person you want to talk to.
Exactly.
And he's going to, is he going to be there?
Yes.
Yeah, he's going to be here.
But then, you know, you can watch his travelogue, but then you can talk to him because he knows that that's the person I would go to.
Yes,
I mean, seriously,
exactly.
Yeah.
And he's the, you know, he can arrange a super duper travel arrangement.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is capable of doing that. He does that very well. And it's going to be a very interesting program. Our meetings are always joyous. People look forward to meeting.
And casual.
It's a great casual. it's a very good social, you know, and people look forward to it. That's their forum to come together with people of similar interests and similar backgrounds and have a great evening.
Yeah.
And lately, more and more, it's not, many people ask me, oh, do I have to be Indian? I said, no, this is for everybody.
Lot of Americans come. Lot of
See, we
Americans.
live in a community which is an international community. So our club is also, even though it's India Club, because we are taking the lead on that, but that doesn't mean that anybody can come. That can come. Anybody can come. So
everybody is welcome. And so many Americans who are deeply interested in India, they come.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
I
also
encourage
those
them.
who visited India.
Yes.
And try some great food.
Exactly.
So that will be a Thursday at 5:30 p.m. in Clubhouse 7. So stop on by. You can have a wonderful evening, have some great food, and learn about India a little more. And perhaps if you're planning on going there or thinking about it, you got someone right there that you can speak with.
And is this Thursday?
Yes.
5:30.
Thank you. Good to see you
everybody
again.
welcome to come.
Yes, everybody
Good to
is
see you.
welcome.
And Anna, good to meet you. I
Yes.
know I'll see you more this year.
Thank you
so
Ken.
much.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay.